Okay, in this next video we're going to look at how you can print information out of care control. The easiest way to print information is to go into the care plan itself. Look at View Care Plans, select the resident, access care plan. If I were to navigate to the personal details screen and select Print Screen Report, the program will print to your default printer, and in this case I have a PDF printer as my DDF, so I can show you what the printouts look like. If I just drag that in, you can then see this is a printout of this particular resident, and we can navigate to page 2, etc. That print screen report will work on the majority of these screens. A useful feature is if you're going to use the care plan notes, and you were then to filter by a particular note, then you click Print Screen Report, it will print the note filter that you've searched for. When you print Screen Report on the note screen, it asks whether you want to include images in your printout. In this particular example, we say no because there are no images that will be printed. To show you how that looks, as you can see, there's the note, and it's just been filtered by the word full. So that's the easiest way of printing information out. The other way of printing information is by clicking on the Print Care Plan Documents option. When you click this button, it asks you for a PIN number, and then you can select at the top of the screen a service user to print for. You can then print, select a method. Now, if you were going to do reviews outside of the home, you could select blank copies. In this case, we're just going to pick manual print. And then you can pick the different reports, and these are all the different print reports you can choose from. You can pick a print report and add it to your Documents to Print area here by clicking on the Add button. So we were to print the personal details, the key contacts, and the medication profile. That information, when we click Print Documents, will be printed. This is all the reports now printed, and then when I look at the information, each of the reports becomes available, as you can see. One thing to observe when you're printing information, if I were to add the notes option, some of these options have additional information, which means you can edit them. And when I click the edit option, I can now specify how many copies of that particular report I'm going to have, and also what the date range is. So rather than have the last 14 days, if I wanted the last 3 months of notes, we've now changed it so we'll print the last 3 months. And that's how you print information within Care Control.